In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change to a swipe gesture on your Samsung phone. Swipe gestures can make the user experience more intuitive and natural, allowing users to interact with the interface more easily and effectively. Enhanced accessibility. Swipe gestures can be easier for people with disabilities to perform compared to tap gestures, improving accessibility. Simply head into your phone settings. On the Settings page, you will have to scroll down onto the option of Display. Then still scroll to the very end and tap right here on Navigation bar. On this page, you will have to just tap on the swipe gesture and it will automatically get enabled. You can at any time change to the normal button option. That's how easy it is to enable swipe gestures on your Samsung device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as it much helps for the channel growth. Check out on these other informative tutorials like this one.